How to make money with Temu in 2025. This is going to be a complete tutorial for beginners so you can understand how to make money with Temu in an easy and simple way. First of all, how do you do it? You have to register. In the video description, I will leave you a link. You need to register an account, and I recommend that you register it in one of the following countries listed: the U.S., Australia, Canada, and well, several of the ones that appear here. I will scroll through so you can see if your country is listed, and if it is, you just choose it and register your account in that country. There's one essential thing on Temu to be able to make money, and basically, it's by simply sharing discount codes and purchase links to effectively earn a commission on what people buy using your code, or even your links. And basically, all these countries participate in this, but not necessarily if, for example, you are from the U.S. The people who buy in the U.S., it's not just the ones you can say you'll use, but you can also share your link with people from Canada, Mexico, or other countries, and if they buy, you will earn a commission. So it's really good. It doesn't just work for people from the same country, but for anyone around the world. For this, once you have registered, something like the following will appear, and what you will get in the U.S., because it is different in each country, but in the U.S. You earn a 30% commission on each order that the person who registers with your link makes. And if the person downloads and successfully logs into the application, such as they will provide you with a reward of $5. Furthermore, in the scenario where the person who registers already possesses an existing account, they will offer you a commission ranging from 5% to 20% for each and every order that is placed by that individual from the app. This obviously depends on whether the person is registered or not. Once this is done, and you share your link by clicking Share to Earn, all these options will appear. You simply share the link. You can do it on TikTok and you can do it on Facebook. Later, I will share a strategy that is very good for making money with this. And once you share it and people start registering, your balance will begin to increase, and you will start receiving more and more money. Here you can register directly to PayPal, or you can do it to your Temu credit, which is for spending within the Temu platform itself. Further down is where we really find the most interesting stuff. All of this is what you can share. For example, free gifts, an exclusive discount, a coupon group, a 40% discount, up to 90% off, a big savings. You just need to click on where it says share, and this link they give you can be shared on any social media. You can simply make a lot of TikToks. That's what many people do. And what they do is create a TikTok saying, "Today I bring you a 90% discount coupon." And they put the link or the code directly on the screen. And when people buy, they use it and get their discount. For example, here you can make a video on TikTok saying you have a 40% discount coupon with this code. And what happens is that every time someone registers with your code, you'll generate those commissions we saw earlier. You can do the same with this section of free gifts. You can make a video on Facebook, a video on TikTok. I recommend they be short videos, and you simply say there's a code to get free gifts on Temu, and you share this code here. When people register and buy with that code, you get the commission. Then this is for a different type of person, specifically for those who have a page on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. They can register as influencers, and for every post, video, or update they make, they'll be paid. So, for example, if you make a post, they give you $50 in cash, meaning real money that you can withdraw, and also $25 in credit to be able to shop within Temu. And the more posts you make, the more money they will give you. And you also have campaigns that are activated from time to time. And what you can do is simply activate each of these and send posts or videos every time you join a new campaign, thus generating more money. Next, we have the hot items section, which is for people who want to share products. You, for example, can have a group on Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram where you share deals. And here what you do is hit share and send the link. And for each person who buys with your link, you will earn a commission. For example, on these items here, the commission is on average around $5 to $6. And then the last way to make money with Temu is to invite affiliates, which is basically what I'm doing right now. As it is here, I have some money pending to be given to me, and I have withdrawn $118. And what this means is that for every person I invite, I can earn $5 or more, depending on whether the person has 500 followers or more on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. And then, if a person joins with my link, each of them will earn $5, and so on. Depending on the number of followers they have on their social media, they can register, and if they have more than a certain number of followers, they can get up to $70. And then, if the person registers and shares links, you can get a 20% commission for each person, which is what I'm doing right now. And there are other things that, let's say, give you exclusive benefits. This is mainly for Black Friday, where they give a $2 welcome bonus and up to $300 in credit to use within Temu. And this is how you can really generate quite a bit of money. I have my Temu affiliate account in the U.S, and the main account where I share links, where I've earned over $2,000, is in Colombia, which is where I mainly am. And here I share the links and it generates money for me. So, well, it's a really good tip if you want to make money from practically anywhere in the world. Remember that only the countries listed above are participants in this promotion. If you share the link with people who are not from these countries, you won't be able to generate earnings.